Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is 8th, today's 4th of August. So I want us to start off with the chart on my screen. We're going to start with the Euro USD. Disregard this indicator. So we have a very good resistance level. We have a very good resistance level here. This is where we are looking for a sell from. You can see that the price used this point as a support. It continued upwards, it came down, broke below the same level, then we had a resistance. As it is now, we expect the price to continue up to this point here so that we pick a sell position. So as it is now, we are waiting for price to touch these two lines so that we can pick a sell position. We expect the sellers to push price downwards at least up to this point here. So if the price goes up and touches this point, we're going to be looking for a sell from within these lines. We are expecting the sellers to push price down. Our first target is this one, and the next target is the line we have at the bottom. And in case the price breaks above this point, we expect it to continue upwards up to this line, where if the price breaks above it, then our next target is the line we have at the top, which is this one here. So basically you can wait and sell it when the price hits this point, and then it gives you a sell signal, or you may watch for a breakout. If it breaks beyond this level, then our next target is this one, and then the next one is the line we have at the top, which is this one here. So my next chart is Gbp USD. With the Gbp USD so far, as I mentioned yesterday, we are looking for a buy from around this line here. This is the zone we want to buy from. So we have a very good resistance. There is this massive breakout. This is the best place to buy from. Within these two lines, this is the best place you want to look for a buy position from. Expect the buyers to push price upwards at least up to 1.22790. So the idea will be to look for a buy when the price touches these two lines. You're going to be looking for a buy position. Our target is this one. Our stop loss is below the candle which broke below this, above this level here. So the stop loss will be somewhere around this area here. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with this, it looks like the price is gaining momentum to the upper side. We had a buy position here. We had a pending buy limit here. You can see that it was triggered. The price came down, touched it. As you're speaking now, the price is headed upwards. So we are still looking for buy positions on this chart, at least up to this point here. This is that 139.011. So if you took a buy with us right here, you're supposed to keep that position open up to this point, where if the price breaks above it, expect it to continue to the upper side. So my next chart is Gbp Is Gold. So on gold so far, we'll be looking for a sell along this trend line here. So the price needs to pull back up and touch this trend line so that we can pick a sell position. So we had a support, 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 and we had a support. There is this breakout. If the price pulls back up and touches this line, this will be the best place to look for a sell from. So if the price should go up and touch this line, we'll look for a sell position. We are expecting the sellers to push price downwards at least up to somewhere along this line. The next target is this one here. So I hope that makes sense. We'll be looking for a sell from along this area. Our first target is this one. The next target is the line we have at the bottom, which is this one here. My next symbol is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, we have a sell here. We are looking for a sell from around this line. This is 4184.8. If the price should ascend and close above it, we are going to be continuing to look for more positions upwards with our target above 4550.4. So if the price breaks above it, our next target is the line we have at the top, which is this one here. So we want to look for a sell here unless the price breaks above it with our target at this point. The next one is at this point. So the first target is 4550.4. the next one is 4802.7. The next chart is Brent oil. So it looks like the Brent oil is headed for a sell. It looks like the Brent oil is headed for a sell. So we have that. Then we have that. And then we have another. So we have a support, If the price breaks below these two lines, then we're going to continue to look for more sell positions, at least up to this point here. So we're just waiting to see what happens. If the price descends below these two lines, we want to see a pullback before it can continue downwards, at least up to 89.786. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We're going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.